Good afternoon, everyone. This is Emma. Today's video is gonna be on my fireplace refresh. And what I've done, I've went in and redecorated it for the spring. I decided to use less items on my fireplace and just make it simply beautiful. So come along and see what I've done to my fireplace. I've hung a wreath here, a couple of candle holders. I did go with the white and silver, and as you can see, the gold balls. Mixing metals is something that's gonna be heavy this spring, so you're gonna see a lot of the mixed metals. I also put my little lantern here. I actually did a short on it today. So go in and check out my short on the lantern. On this side, I just put the little flower pot with the spike plant. This year, I'm gonna be using a lot of neutral colors. So everything will be neutral. I won't be using a lot of colors. I'll be using white, beiges, and maybe a little bit of gray. Geometric patterns are also in for the spring and summer. The candlesticks you see here are from Goodwill. The gray candles are from the Jonathan and Drew collection. And I did purchase those from I think I told you where I got those, but I can't remember the name of it, but I'll come back to that. The silver candle holders are from Tuesday Morning. The silver balls are from Home Goods. The two books you see here are from Goodwill, and the face here is from Tuesday Morning. The wreath is from TJ Maxx. The planter is from Ross's. And the lantern I've had a while. I can't actually remember where it's from. So that is my fireplace redo for the spring. I did keep it very simple. And that's what you're gonna see as you see me refresh my home for the spring. It will be very light and simple. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today. And if you're not a part of the design family, I ask that you hit that like, subscribe, comment, and don't you forget to ring that bell. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you in my next video.